Greetings, Smart Bunny. We're going to be looking at how we can actually use the fill series right here in this Excel sheet. Alright, so what I want you to type, I wanted to type week one. So, alright, so I'm going to type week one and show you exactly how to use that. Alright, now this itself is week one. Alright, so if you notice right here, if I put the cursor right there, you notice it come a plus. And if I drag it down, you notice it's a week two. Just the same. But if you notice, if I go to this little pointer right here, right? If you notice right here, so this is a fill series, right? So if I come back right up here and I drag it to the right like this, you notice it's a week one, week two, week three, week four, alright? So if January, no, January, Jan, so I'm gonna put that short, alright? And again, I'm gonna put the cursor right here and drag it to my right here. You notice, it said January, February, March in short, just the same. Alright, very important. So if I come like this now and I put the same January again, here I'm going down this time, and I come like this, you notice, right here, you notice give you a period January, but if I wanted to change that, literally I have to come right here, right, and notice, no fill series, that is a mistake was made right here, right, you notice it's supposed to be N instead of M, alright, let me delete that, alright, and go up again and put the like that, and then I'm gonna come like this, gonna drag it down like that. If you notice, you work just the same. What if you want a number like this? Now put one there, and if I come like that and come down, let me fix that again. So if I put one there, and I copy the cursor right here, become a plus. I can actually drag it down like that. If you notice, become P1, but if I wanted to change it, simply come right here. You notice right here, it's a fill series. I come right here, I click, you notice it change from 1 to 2. But if I come like this, I press 1, and I come right here, and I press 2, like that. I go back to 1 and 2, and then I'm gonna block it. Now I'm gonna block it, I put the cursor right here, and then I drag it down like that. You notice it change from 1 to 2 and 3. So definitely, this is where you can actually use the fill series right here in Excel. So if you notice, you have to type code from week one, go all the way to week this. Just type week one, blank it, and just go all the way. Notice I type January right here, go down, it actually fill it in for you, just the same. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.